Hello Marks, I have fixed the automation, so let me show you in this video. And I have provide you full ownership of all automation. So let me explain. When I created new entry testing, so when I create new item, so today that will be automatically created in this column, because we need to any data that to run the automation. Without that, because in single column we cannot run the automation, so due to this I have these today date automatically showing. Okay, here you can see in the follow date today 13, and when I select engagement state date 15. Okay, so when I change status like a new to engagement day 1, then 15 will be automatically transferred into 14, that automatically transfer into 15. Okay, then here you can see like today that when I change their status to engagement day 1, so this date automatically transferred into these 15, and these will be transferred into 16. Here you can see sometime automation takes a few second time. So here you can see 13. So when I change their status like DM sent, so this date automatically change. It takes a few seconds. Here you can see like it has been changed. So everything, I think it's working in my side, so you can check out and let me know if anything is missing, so you can update me.